Hello, yes, hello to you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Tessye. If today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. Yes, I'm coming to you with my face beat, but my hair not so much. Don't worry, that's why we're here. Okay, so today's video is about how I style my scarf when I don't want to deal with my hair. I have this twist now for about 2 weeks plus now, and this is how I managed to get away with it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get the video started. What I need to get this hair going is these and my hair tie, and of course the scarf. These are the scarf I'm using. This one here is a polo material I bought. Okay, so I made it my own with this color here. So I have 2 colors. First I have to pack my hair to give the hair volume when this bun comes so handy. So this one is style number 1. Then I just put this, just go like this. This is just to give it the volume at the back. Like this scarf is huge, like huge. But it's okay. So if you don't want yours to be this huge, you can limit the fabric. Push a little backward because I want my baby hairs to show, and a little bit of my ears covered. I'm done with this part. If you don't want your inner fabric to show, you can twist it under, but for me it's okay. The next step is to slay my edges. I'm using this edge control. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I talked about this edge control already. Okay, this edge control is one of my fave now. I'm not using this brush for my teeth. I use it for just my edges. My edges are slayed. You can see the difference. One amazing factor for this edge control, you don't even need to set it. You don't need to set it. Just apply and go. But if you want to set it, it's okay. But if you don't want to set it, fine. This is one way I prefer wearing my scarf. Okay, so let's go to style number 2. For the second side, I just need my hair to be flat. I don't need extra hair. You need my hair to be flat as much as possible. I go like this. So I tuck the excess fabric here. Remember, this scarf is huge, and I have to pull back a little for the display of the edges. And done. Okay, but I need to change my earrings because now, what do you think with the change of the earring? Different, right? This is giving me Christian mother kind of vibe. Let's go to the next one. So this is the third one. Put all my hair I need the support of this bun. Okay. The problem with white, it gets stained so easily. So if you see any stain, bear with me. Honestly, this scarf is too huge, okay, and I'll be fighting with it all through today. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. For me, this one here is a fail. Like, honestly, I'm thinking this scarf is not just part of my body. You don't mind this one, so let me just call it a day with this video. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Bye.